There are these moments in time, in life, that define who we are, that lift us up, that push us down. Those moments that move us forward or take us back. And in that moment, that time will be ours forever. That moment so many years ago, that dance, which lands us here today. So I'll take that dance. Now, again, and forever. And I'll always be dancing with you on the moon.
Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass. We're listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it, darling, you look perfect.
Dear Alyssa, today is so special to me because not only am I marrying your dad, but because you and Tristan are such an important part of this day. I may not have been there for your first breath, but I will be there for every special moment that you want me to be a part of.
That someday we'll share our home. I found love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own.
Dear Tristan, I don't know if he ever told you this, but I always wanted to name my first son Tristan. You are more of a son than I could have ever hoped for. And so, in some strange twist of fate, my first son was named Tristan. You bring so much joy into our lives, and I cannot wait until we're all together in Colorado. Dear Evan, I'll never forget the first moment I saw you. When I looked into your eyes, I felt like the sun was shining back at me. I remember staring into your beautiful blue eyes and noticing different micro colors of light in them and being captivated. I burned that image into my mind, and I have never forgotten it. I can't believe that today, 20 years later, I get to become your wife and vow to love you forever, unafraid to share how I feel with you every day. But we are about to begin the most exciting and fulfilling years of our lives. We are about to build an empire, be a family, and have so many adventures. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you with everything that I am. Love, your wife-to-be, Sabrina.
Evan, I waited 24 years for this day. You are the most beautiful soul that I have ever known. Your tremendous strength and courage leave me speechless. You are my hero in every sense of the word, and you inspire me to be better every day. I promise to always love and support Tristan and Alyssa. As your children, they are the greatest part of you. And through love, they are the greatest part of me. I love them both with a love greater than I've ever known. I will be their wings when they need encouragement and guidance. I'll be their anchor so that they know that they always have a loving home. No matter what happens in this life, I will love and protect them with everything that I have inside of me as long as I shall live. I vow to give you my best every day and to grow with you, striving to be better each day alongside you. As we continue our journey through life, I will continue to be your best friend. I will continue to appreciate, support, challenge, respect, and cherish you every day.
By the power vested in us, we now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss.
Tiptoeing time, falling behind, losing your way, learning to pray, brilliant parade, blind masquerade, waltzing in place. too late, loosening lips, lost battleships, fighting the lies, burning inside, flashes of light, season the night, living his life, chasing fireflies, a gallery of could-be's, a library of should-be's, a destiny of would-be's, waiting at your door, the mystery of maybes, a history of save-me's, a risk we're taking, waiting at your door, flashes of light, season of night, living his life, chasing fireflies, flashes of light, season of night, living his life, chasing fireflies. Fire on your back, sky painted black, guessing the terms, fireflies burn.